Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST Commander tutorial how to insert an image. If you want to insert image, you can type image attach and then press enter. Now you can click on the browser in it, browser button, searching for your image. As example, I will use this image and click open. Now you can set for the option in it. So we have the default option, click OK, and then you can click on the drawing area to insert the image, press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for basic REST Commander tutorial, how to insert an image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.